Hi guys, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. It's day 2 up at Loon, where my guys just finished troweling down a rubber epoxy system. They're over in the guest services area now, finishing up the prep work for the seamless stone flooring that's going to be going down pretty soon. Stay tuned. We just finished installing our rubber epoxy system in this entryway. The customer needed this type of flooring system to handle the traffic going from the outside to the inside. Take a look. We're over at the guest services area right now, where we have a crew finishing up the prep work so we can put down the quartz carpet seamless stone flooring system. Thank you for following along. Stay tuned for day 3.